So, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would show you guys how I make my vinyl stickers and like sticker packs for my Etsy shop. Link to that in the description box below. So yeah, if you want to learn how to make stickers, at least the way I do it, I'm still new to the whole Etsy thing. I'm still new, I'm figuring out how to create my products to the best I can be. But at the moment, this is my process, and I just wanted to share it with you guys in case you guys are thinking of starting your own Etsy shop or wanting to get into the way of making stickers for your own personal things. So yeah, if you guys want to get into that and know how to do it, stay tuned. And let's go. So first off, for making stickers, we're going to talk about the supplies you guys will need. So you will need some sticker paper. You can use whatever kind of sticker paper you want. I will list everything over here beside me. So you need some sort of sticker paper. I like to use this vinyl sticker paper from photopaperdirect.com. I will link it down below for you guys so you can find it, and it's like a vinyl paper. That's the one I use at the moment. So yeah, I'll link it down below if you guys want to see it, like purchase that. Next thing you'll need is some sort of printer to print your design on. I use the Canon Pixma something. I will link that down below or put a picture on the side of the screen so you guys know which one I use. But yeah, it's not a very expensive printer, it's kind of inexpensive, but it does really well and it really works for what I need it to do. So I use a Canon Pixma something. But yeah, you can find the link to that down below. Then the next thing you guys will need is some sort of cutting apparatus. Like a pair of scissors, a smart die cutting machine, just something, a craft knife, whatever you have that can cut stickers. So personally I will be using a Cricut Maker in this video. It's a die cutting machine, a smart die cutting machine, and basically you just print your stickers out with registration marks. You put it into the machine and it cuts them for you. So it's really handy to have, but they can be quite pricey. The Cricut Explore Air is also a really good alternative for getting started. So check those out. I will leave some links down below to where you can get them. In the UK, you can pick one up in person in Hobbycraft. If not, I ordered mine on a website called Craft She Love because we're in Northern Ireland, so we're not mainland UK. So we didn't have a Hobbycraft at the time, so I just ordered off that website, and they're really reliable. So yeah. Really recommend one of them if you want to take this serious and get it up somewhere and like just really continue your business. I recommend a smart cutting machine because you're going to be cutting by hand. It is going to take you ages and your hand will probably hate you because your hand will be that sore. So yeah, you need something to cut your stickers with. And then obviously the last thing you need is your design, whatever design you may have, whether it's traditional or done digitally. I like to do my designs digitally. It's just more of the way I work, and especially with going to uni I've really discovered I love doing digital art. So I study graphic design and illustration, so in my course we tend to use a lot of computers and stuff like that, and I just find that that's where I like. So I like to use my iPad of Procreate, an iPad Pro and an Apple Pencil, and use the app Procreate to draw my designs. But you can also draw them digitally, and I did do that before the start. And what I would do is just do my paintings like normal, and then get a printer with a scanner, put it on the scanner and scan it in at the highest DPI that you can, and DPI is dots per inch, and just the higher you can get it, the better quality it'll be. So yeah, that's your options. So hit pause, go get your materials, get everything you need, come back to the video, and we will get on to preparing our designs and getting them cut out to make your first set of stickers.
So right now guys, I'm just opening up Procreate and I'm gonna choose this Billie Eilish design that I've already created. So I have to do this on A4 canvas. So I'm just going to go back, I'm going to duplicate this just to show you guys how I do the outline for it. So first I'm going to start by turning off the background layer, so it's just the sticker, and then I'm going to create a new layer and drag that below, and then I'm going to go in and choose my sticker outline brush. So I just made this by duplicating the monoline brush and just setting it to the maximum size to the size I wanted for my border. So yeah, once you have your brush, you just simply want to grind the edge of your sticker, obviously much neater than I am here. This is just an example sticker, so this is not what you'd actually be buying from my shop. I did take more time with the actual thing. This is just for demo purposes, don't worry. So yeah, you just want to outline that and make it nice and neat. And then you want to go back, turn off the top layer, and then just drag the little colour from the wheel into the middle of that to fill the whole thing in. Turn the top layer on, and then you want to merge those layers together to make it one solid layer. And now I'm just going to take the sticker, the design, I'm going to name it whatever it needs to name, so I'm just naming this Billie Eilish sticker, so original. So yeah, just give it a name, something you'll remember it by to keep you on track. And then once I name it, I'm just going to share it via airdrop to my MacBook. So that just takes a minute here. Just going to airdrop, hit my MacBook. And then once that sends to my MacBook, we are all good to go. So now we're just going to move over to the MacBook and I'll show you guys what to do over there. So now we're on our Mac or whatever you might be using. So you just want to open the Cricut design space if you are using a Cricut product like me, like the Cricut Maker or the Cricut Explore Air. So my Cricut design space is just gonna do a quick update here. It doesn't take long at all. Apologies for that, but yeah. So it's just going to run a quick update here. Apologies if you can hear my computer fans as well, guys. So yeah, it's just gonna finish doing its update here. And then it's gonna ask me to sign in, so I just hit sign in. And then you just wanna log in with your Cricut account. And then hit sign in. And now that we're in here, I'm just making it full screen so I have more space to work with. I'm gonna hit new project. And then when I hit new project, I'm just gonna go down to the upload tab on the side. And you wanna hit upload, and then under image, hit the little button there, and then hit browse and find your design. So I have my design on my desktop here. I'm just gonna click it and then click open. So now I like to hit complex just to get the most detail I can in my image. So hit complex, then next. And then here, if there's anything wrong with your design or you maybe want to remove something, you can do that. So as you can see, I'll just remove a few things here to show you how that works. It's kind of like the magic wand tool in Photoshop if you've used it before. It's just like that. So yeah, it will just remove parts of your images. You also have the eraser if you want to be more precise. So next you want to click continue. And then here, it's very important that you hit the option that says save as print then cut. Because if you don't, the print file will just cut the outline of the sticker. You won't get the design. So you want to hit the print then cut one. And then you just want to give it an appropriate name. And then give it some tags. Tags are really good to help you locate it if you have loads of files like me. So it just really helps. So I'm just writing some tags here. And you want to separate those with commas. So once you write those tags, you then want to go on and hit next or continue. Whatever it says, just hit the next button. And that will just upload that design into your library of designs. So here's mine here. So I'm just going to click on the design and then I'm going to click insert image. And then now I'm going to click on the so now it's inserted, I'm just going to make that smaller. I like to make my images about 2 inches in height, 2.5 inches in height. I feel like that's a good size. And then I'm going to get a shape. I'm going to get a square here, and this is going to let me see how many designs I can fit on one print and cut page. So I'm just going to unlock that square so I can edit the dimensions separately, and I'm going to change it to 6.0 0.75 in width and 9.25 in height, and that there is the maximum you can do for print and cut with a Cricut. So you just want to make sure your designs can fit within that. So then I'm just gonna, so here I'm just making it bigger to show you guys so you have those exact dimensions over there. So I'm just gonna reset that, and then I'm gonna move that over, and I'm gonna put that square to the back. So just moving that square over. This is not necessary, it's just how I like to do it to keep me right and make things look nice on my canvas. So now I've sent that square to the back and brought the design to the top. I'm just going to position it a little bit away from each edge, and then I'm going to duplicate it and just duplicate it and fill up the whole square, because you want to maximize your paper and get as much stickers cut as you can. And like if you have other designs, you can fit them in the little blank spaces as well, just to really help you guys use up all your paper, and there's not as much waste. So I can usually get about 6 designs on one sheet, which is nice. So yeah, I just want to arrange them as best you can. Then you want to delete that square, you don't need it anymore. Then you want to select all your stickers, and then you want to attach them. Hit the attach button. So that just means that whenever it's printing and cutting, it will print them all in the same place and then cut them right, so they won't shift about. Because sometimes Cricut can do that, it can rearrange them and try and make them fit better, but you don't want that. And then you just want to continue with that, and then that's your design ready to go. So you'd hit continue, but I'm going to show you with a different design here because I need to make some art supply stickers for my shop. So I just got that design up, and then we're going to continue on from this point. So I'm going to hit continue, and here you can see I'm just putting the photo paper into my printer. And excuse the white dots on my printer. My brother was painting my room and didn't think of covering things and got paint on like everything. So I'm just putting the paper into the printer. There's a link to this paper down below if you want to get it. So now I'm just setting the settings. With this printer paper, I like to do A4, which is the size that it is. And then I'm just going to set it to matte because it is a matte paper. So yeah, my printer's not wanting to work. So eventually it works, and then I just select matte, and then I hit register. So the printer knows exactly what it is. And now we're back in our design space. After you hit continue, it'll say this. So you want to hit send to printer, and then here you can adjust the copies, but it won't do anything if you're using the system dialog, so it won't really do anything. So then what I like to do, if your sticker has a white border around it, you don't need a bleed on. But if it's a full color sticker where you want the color to go right to the edge, I would turn the bleed on. So here I'm just going to turn the bleed off, and then I want to click use system dialog. You always want to use system dialog in my opinion, because it gives you more control and finer control of what you can do with your file. So once I've done that, I'm just going to hit next. I'm just going to bring up the dialog box. So I'm just changing my printer here and fixing up a few settings. So here I've created a setting for this, for my stickers, on my Canon TR 8500. And here I'm just showing you the settings I like to use. So in medium quality, I like to get from the rear tray and set it on photo on the best quality. In layout, I just don't really change anything here. If anything's turned on, turn it off and make sure it's like one page. In paper handling, this is important. If you're using a Cricut, it works off US sizes, which is like 8.5 by 11 inch paper. So here I just hit scale to fit paper size, set it to the size that is in your printer, and then scale down only because you don't want it to scale up. So yeah, and then they don't really need touched. So yeah, you're fine. Just go back into here, make sure everything's fine. You can't change the copies here. It will only let you print one copy. So even if you set that copies in the previous one, it won't work. So then you want to hit print. You saw the sheet coming out, and now I'm just showing you guys the settings I use with this paper. I use the highest pressure I think I can. So yeah, just pause the video if you need anything, and then you just select your material, load your mat, and then hit go, and your machine will read the marks and then cut out your images. And preferably when it's reading your marks, you want to do it in a dark room. So here I'm just going to show you guys me peeling those stickers off the sheet now. So the way that I like to do this is just to bend the sheet, and it helps pop them out. So bend it in different ways to help pop them out, and it just makes them easier to come off, and it stops them from curling as well. So yeah, I'm just going to remove all those stickers, and this is one sticker pack right here. So yeah, these are my art supply stickers. So welcome back, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed making your stickers today. Hopefully you got some great stickers and they worked out really well for you guys. So these are some art supply stickers that are available on my Etsy shop at Drake Illustrates. I'll put it here on the screen somewhere. You can also find the link for it down below if you want to check it out. If you like these stickers, you can buy some, and there's some more great designs on my Etsy shop, and I would really love it if you guys could help me and support me, because owning a little shop like this has always been something I've always wanted to do, and now I'm finally doing it. So yeah, guys, I would love it if you could support me, and hopefully now you can pursue your dreams. Hopefully you can now start selling your designs and creating stickers and whatever you may dream of. So thank you guys for tuning into this video today, and make sure to comment down below if this tutorial helped you, or if you have any problems and things like that there. I'll try and reply to you guys as best as I can and get through to you guys. You can also DM me on Instagram. I'll leave that all down below so you guys can find me on other socials. And yeah, thanks guys for tuning in today. I really appreciate it, and if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more. I'm kind of inconsistent with my posting just because with uni and stuff like that, and just family and stuff, I can get quite busy, so I try to post when I can. But yeah guys, so again, thank you for watching and have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next one.